In this video, I'm going to be showing you another one of those classic tricks to make a vacuum pumping even better. I'm going to show you what's called the sleeve trick. It's super effective, super easy to use, and it's going to save you a lot of pain, a lot of testicular pain, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. So it's going to be a very short but interesting video, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you what's called the sleeve trick. If you don't know about it, so this is a typical vacuum pump. I've talked a lot about it before. You basically insert this into the penis. This basically, lays flat against the pelvis there, and then you pump. There's a couple of really big issues that a lot of people have when using, a lot of guys have using a vacuum pump, people with a penis, whatever the PC term is. And so, when you use it and you start applying the vacuum pressure, what can happen is that it's hard to create a seal because of the skin to skin contact. It's not very good because you have all this surface area here and you have to create a good seal. It really helps to trim, to manscape down there. That really helps. But another problem that you can have, especially with and by the way, this trick is mostly for things like the Love ones. This won't really work for like a bathmate. So the bathmate is like super uncomfortable. I hate the bathmate, because like the testicles get sucked in all the time. So this can happen with this, especially as you go up in size. As you go up in the diameter, this part gets bigger and bigger, this part here, and so there's a bigger chance that your testicles get sucked in. The one way that you can kind of prevent that is you can put like ball weights on, and basically that holds down your balls. I think that's kind of, I don't know, it looks uncomfortable. I've never done it. Another way is you hold your balls down basically, and that kind of helps keep the balls out. But really, I think the best way is to use the sleeve trick with the vacuum pump. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna use a sleeve. And these are my favorite sleeves. These are the LG hanger sleeves. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna buy the LG hanger sleeves. I'm gonna leave a link below. This is not like affiliate, or it's just, that's like my honest assessment that these are the best sleeves that I've ever tried. I honestly have to buy sleeves once, and for like 3 years, the sleeves have like lasted me that long, and they're still going strong. And you can see this sleeve. See if I'm missing like a little chunk here, and it's still working. Like, it's amazing. It's this amazing piece. I'm gonna have a separate video when I compare the different types of sleeves. In any case, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a sleeve. So these are perfect. You can just order one, and then you're gonna cut out a piece. You're gonna cut out a piece basically about 1.5 inches in length, and this is what you're gonna use. I don't really like using like the sleeves, like in the thumbnail you see one that like it's kind of like looks like a mouth or something. I don't know. I don't like those. I prefer just having like a sleeve, like a regular sleeve that you're gonna put on. And so what you're gonna do is you're basically going to put it on right into here. So let me do that right now so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so you're basically going to put it on like this. Okay, notice how small this hole is. If you want to make it bigger, like sometimes this can get a little uncomfortable because it's too tight, you're just going to push it in more. So so you're gonna push in the sleeve a little bit more. You'll see me do it right now, actually. Yeah, so all I did is kind of like just push it in a little bit more, just like that, and you see the hole got a lot bigger. So you can sort of customize it depending on your your girth to a very comfortable level. And basically you want to get it to a level where like you're fully pumped, like it's nice and comfy and creates a nice seal. Look how flat it is. There's no like protruding sections either in or out. And these LG hanger sleeves are perfect for this. And basically what this does is it helps you create a seal, because now this area is basically not just like the glass, right? Like this is like a rubbery, and this really helps create a seal against the pelvis. And then and it stops the testicles from going into the pump, into the cylinder, which can be very, very uncomfortable. So it solves those two problems, and it creates a little bit of a girth band effect here. It constricts it a little bit, not too much, but I also like that effect a little bit. So yeah, so that's basically the sleeve trick. Super easy to do, super versatile. All you need is a cylinder and a sleeve, which I'll link to below. So yeah, hopefully that's useful to a lot of the guys out there that are super new to vacuum pumping. And there you go, another short and sweet video, straight to the point, super easy to use trick. Another one of my trick series. So hopefully you guys found it helpful. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, help support me, share the video. comment on the video, or leave a like, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna really help out my motivation and help out the channel. And I put all this for free. I don't charge for anything. And so it really helps support me. So yeah, if you want to do like a financial help, you can hit that Cash App, send a donation. I don't really care. Like, I do this for fun and just really to help guys out there with all my years of experience. So in any case, if you like this video, please make sure you check out these other videos which may be relevant to you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.